Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports keyboard input and that the OS already recognizes the keyboard. Plug in USB or pair Bluetooth now. Wait for the system to show it as connected. Open the Xbox Cloud Gaming page in Edge or Chrome on PC, or launch the Xbox Cloud Gaming app on Android and sign in. Once done, choose any cloud game. Don't click into controls yet. This immediate setup avoids later interruptions and prepares the session for the keyboard to register. Now you focus on getting the game to accept the keyboard. With the game loaded, press common keys like WASD, arrow keys, space, and enter to see if the session responds. If nothing happens, stop and open browser or app permissions to allow keyboard and hardware input forwarding. On PC, verify Edge/Chrome isn't blocking keyboard events. Adjust any input capture flags. On Android, confirm the app can access Bluetooth devices and input. These steps force the remote stream to recognize your keystrokes. Finish by configuring key bindings inside the game or using a community mapping overlay. This ensures movement, menu, and chat keys are correct. Make sure to save any custom profiles. If keys are delayed or unresponsive, close the browser or app, reconnect the keyboard, and reload the cloud session. This often clears input forwarding glitches. As a last resort troubleshooting tip, test a different keyboard or use a direct USB connection instead of Bluetooth to isolate hardware or pairing issues and restore reliable input.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.